What's up, guys? It's Mark the Greatest, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how to create a YouTube Shorts on iPhone. Now, if you're new and if you guys want more content on motivation, positivity, and success, and also motivational YouTube Shorts from me, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, share this video with anyone that you may know, you guys, and we're gonna go ahead and get right into this tutorial. Alright, y'all, so the first thing you want to do is go onto your Instagram app. So I'm just gonna go onto my Instagram app right now, and then the second thing you guys want to do is think of, okay, what do I want to post, right? So for me, I post a lot of motivational content, and you guys, you can post really anything you want, as long as you find something. It can be on Pinterest. If you guys can't find any ideas, you guys can always go on Pinterest. You can go on to you can even go on Google and look at Google Images and search for something to post. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is go onto the hashtags, and I'm gonna say motivational posts. Alright, so I'm gonna do motivational posts. So let's go into motivational posts, and we can search for any post that we want here. So right now I'm just searching for a post, and I'm just seeing which one that I want to use. Okay, so something like this. Anyone who has never made a mistake, has never tried anything new. Let's make a YouTube Shorts video about this. Alright, so let's make this video, right? And you guys might want to write this down so that you don't forget. And that's probably something that I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to pause and come back. Alright, y'all, so now I've written down the post that I want to use. So the next thing you guys want to do is get out of Instagram, and you want to go onto Pixels on Tap Browser app. So you guys want to go onto Tap Browser, and then the next thing you guys want to do is go onto Browser at the second tab at the bottom. So now we're gonna go to the search bar, and we're gonna do pexels.com. So PEXELS.com, and then space video. So that's what we're gonna type in the search bar. Then you're gonna press go onto your iPhone or whatever device you have, and then you're gonna press free stock videos on Pexels. All right. And then the next thing you guys want to do is exit out the video that they put you in. So then the next thing you guys want to do is search for any video ideas you could think of. So anything like a boat, a luxury home, or whatever. So let's search up luxury. Let's say luxury house or something like that, right? So then the next thing you guys want to do is go to filters. Sorry if I'm just scrolling right now. Or in fact, for this video, let's just do a mansion. And I'm going to do filters. So you want to click filters. Then you want to click vertical under all orientations. And then press apply. And now you have the video and a TikTok, or rather you have the video is in a YouTube Shorts like format. So if you guys don't know YouTube Shorts is more of a vertical format than a horizontal. So we're gonna choose an image now. So let's say I'm gonna choose the second image right here. And for the second link that pops up, you wanna press cancel. And then for the 10 plus best mansion videos, you want to press download. Alright, so now this video right here has been downloaded onto Top Browser. So the next thing you guys want to do is press downloads, and then the next thing you want to do is press the last video that you just downloaded. So you want to press the very top video, and then the thing you guys want to do is press pause, and then you want to press the 3 dotted line, and then you want to press share, then press InShot. If you guys don't have InShot, download the app InShot and come back and redo this process, because InShot should appear. Alright, so now the thing you want to do is so the thing you guys want to do is go onto Canvas, and you want to exit out the watermark that's at the corner that I just did. So, and then the next thing you guys want to do is press a 9:16 ratio. So it's the one with the TikTok emblem. So it's the one I'm clicking now. And then the next thing you guys want to do is you want to zoom so that the blur is not showing. So you want to press zoom, and then you want to zoom in with your fingers to make the image look closer and make the image look cleaner. The next thing you guys want to do is press the check button. Alright, and then the next thing you guys want to do is make sure the volume is off. So I'm just going to click the volume, scroll over here at the bottom and click the volume button, and then I'm going to change the volume to 0 so that there's no volume on the video. You're going to press the check button, and then you want to press save. So it's the up button with the rectangle at the top right hand corner. So then you want to press save, and now it's loading. At the right hand corner, and now our video has been saved onto our photos. So it's going to be in your storage if you have Apple or Android or whatever device you have. And then the next thing you guys want to do is go onto the YouTube app. So you want to exit out of InShot, and then you want to go onto YouTube. You want to go onto YouTube, and then you want to press the plus button in the middle at the bottom of your screen. So you want to press that. Then you want to press create short, and then you want to press the image that's on the left bottom hand corner. You want to press that, and then you want to press the video that you saved to your phone. So you want to press the very last video, and as you guys see, it's 15 seconds. So we can drag the time. You can drag the time to however long you want the video. So for this video, I might want it like 5.8 seconds since it's not a long post at all. So then the next thing you guys want to do is press add at the right upper hand corner, and then you want to press the check button unless you have any other videos you want to add, but we just want to create one video, so we want to press the check button. And now the video is in slow motion, and the next thing you guys want to do is press the text. So you want to press that at the bottom text tab, and we can create a text. So we're going to use the text that we saw on Instagram. So we're going to say, anyone who has never made a mistake. So like this is like the first half of my the text that I'm using. So you can use this, and then the next thing you guys want to do is press text, and you want to add the second half to this. So we can say has never tried anything new. So then the next thing you guys want to do is drag the text that you just texted, that you just typed in, and you want to drag it to where your first text is, and now it should be like overlapping each other. So the next thing you guys want to do to get rid of this overlap that you guys see is you want to press timeline, and then you want to press the text that comes first. So you want to drag it over at the bottom, and you can drag over the first text. So you want to drag the end of the text and the beginning, so it has the right timing. So I'm just gonna adjust it, and then I'm gonna adjust the text that I want to appear second. So I'm gonna drag the second text and leave some space so that there's some timing. And now I'm gonna play it. So I might want to adjust it a little bit. So I'm gonna play it again. Alright, so now I'm gonna add some music, and you can also adjust the text to like make it look a little better, so that people like see it right in front of them and they don't have to like look down. So the next thing you guys want to do is add music. So for this video I'm going to add music, and for this example I might use Easy on Me. Hey y'all, so in this section right here, I apologize because my music was playing, but in this section I'm choosing the song that I want, and I'm also adjusting the section of the music that I want to use of the song. So right here I'm just selecting what music I want, and there's an adjust button at the bottom right next to the sound. So you guys want to press that adjust button, and as you'll see that I'm adjusting it, and like there's certain sections of the song that you can use. You can drag it over with your hand and use a certain section of the song, and then that section of the song is going to be in your video. Okay, so that's really how you guys can do that. And you guys can also add filters for your videos, so you can choose like P1, like the one that I'm using, and as you see it looks really good in the video. And you can play it a few times, and the next thing you guys want to do is press next. You want to make sure that your video is public, but for this example I'm just gonna put it as unlisted, and you can just type in whatever your video is about, and then after you've made your title and everything, you're gonna press upload short, and now you can see your video. So it's gonna be a link that says uploading your videos. You can press see video, but you can also go back to your profile, which is I'm gonna do, and then you want to press videos, and then you want to press manage videos, so you can look at whatever video you made. And that's how you guys make a YouTube Shorts video. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want more content on motivation and also how to create Instagram or YouTube Shorts, check out my channel, go subscribe, and also post motivational videos and motivational YouTube Shorts that are very interesting, and a lot of people like them. So check out my channel, and I hope everyone has a great day. And it's Mark the Greatest. Peace.